So, hi dear Gemini, a very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal love reading for all the Gemini, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general, it might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed also. Third thing, this is a reading from 16th till the 22nd of December, and it's valid for every 12 sign that you're dealing with, along with your own sign. If it is not resonating, it's not your story, you can just skip the video. Now, if you want to be a tarot card reader like me, you can check out the description box. You can find my website, and you're going to find the course, the workshops, masterclass for of self healing with Ho'oponopono, and my self love ebook. And if you want one-on-one healing sessions or personal readings or any of the services of healings or readings, you can check out my website and you can purchase the services accordingly. So let's start. If you have any queries, if you have any issues, you can mail me and my team will reply. Now let's see, Gemini, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, let's see. Ten of Cups, okay. So Gemini, someone is feeling like you and them still have a family kind of bonding. You guys can have a happily ever after kind of a deal together. If you guys were married and or married still, they still feel a strong bond between you and them. Let me clarify the Ten of Cups. Okay, let's see. We have the Three of Swords, the Six of Cups, and Two of Cups. This is somebody who from your past who is quite heartbroken over the fact that this situation is no longer the same as it used to be. But this person feels a very strong bond between you and them. It's like you are tattooed on their heart and soul, and they can't let you go. This is someone who's quite in pain, quite hurtful energies around the situation. You guys have a very strong bonding from the past, and this person feels a strong soulmate connection between you and them. You're basically tattooed on their heart, big time. Yeah, wow. This person loves you very deeply, very deeply. Even if they are able to say it to you or not, they feel a very strong bond between you and them. Even if you guys are not talking from 3 years, maybe something happened, I don't know. I just said 3 years normally, just example. But even if you guys are not staying together or connected to each other physically, this person is still in love with you very deeply, very strong bond, a past life connection for some of you. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? King of Swords, you are being very practical, very logical. You are feeling like you should be in this cutthroat energy of not giving a damn, not giving a shit. Okay, let's clarify the King of Swords. It's your energy only, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, but you feel extra cautious about love and relationship. Okay, let's clarify. We have the Nine of Pentacles, the Six of Swords, the Magician. You feel like focusing on yourself, your money, your job, your career, and you're manifesting this energy of letting go of everything and everyone that is snatching your peace in any way, and finding your own energies, finding your own happiness, finding your own happy zone. Basically, moving on towards calmer water and working on yourself, your money, your job, your career, your independence, your freedom, your happiness, your highness. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them? Chariot, their intention is to either move on from the situation completely and or to make this connection work out no matter what. Chariot can go either way. Let me clarify this, and let's see the intentions here. We have the Page of Cups, the King of Pentacles, the Two of Pentacles. See, this person wants to come towards you and stabilize this connection between you and them, no matter how hard it is for them to do that. This person wants to make this connection work out, successful and victorious between you and them. Even if this is the most unstable relationship, even if it is the most toxic relationship you ever had with each other, this person wants to stabilize the connection and wants to make the situation work out between you and them, no matter what it is going to take from their side. They're ready to do that. They're ready to put in the effort and energy in the situation to make the situation work out, no matter what the current status of this connection is, according to them, right? Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini? Seven of Cups. So from your side, you just want to let go of all the emotional confusion that you are having regarding your love and relationship area. It's not connected to this connection only. It's connected to your interpersonal chaos and confusion that you're going through because of this situation. And you want to deal it with a lot of patience, lot of understanding, lot of energy of clarity. Let's clarify the Seven of Cups. We had the Five of Pentacles, the Knight of Swords, the Page of Pentacles. Yes, you just want to have a restart button where you just want to let go of everything that made you feel left out in the cold in the recent past also, and otherwise as well. And you want to cut everything and everyone out of your life that is creating any kind of chaos or confusion of any kind, especially emotional ones. And you want to have a restart, a brand new opening up in your own energies, where you are starting your life from scratch with the while taking baby steps. You're not very focused on love. Even if you're not very interested in doing something in this direction very seriously until you're 100% sure that you should do it. So basically, you want to heal yourself properly, and you want to heal yourself as quickly as possible because of the time lost, energy lost, and resources lost. You can't go in that direction right now. Okay. Okay, honey. Gotcha. Let's see what's coming towards you till the 22nd of December. Three of Pentacles. I do see a coming together, coming back together, a collaboration, a connection. Okay, let me clarify the Three of Pentacles. Teamwork, team efforts kind of energy. We have the Seven of Cups, the Ace of Pentacles, the Star. Okay, somebody coming towards you is going to confuse the hell out of you, but at the same time, it is going to create some kind of optimism in you. Like, okay, maybe it's not that much bad. Maybe we can work on this, even if it is going to be a lot of confusing kind of energies between you guys in this collaboration, in this partnership, in this coming together, coming back together. I do see you somebody coming towards you with this mask of, okay, everything is fine, everything is stable. Let's work on this together and let's see what we can do about it. But everything is sorted, you don't have to worry about it. But a lot of things are up in the air, a lot of things are not resolved here yet, but still I do see a coming together, coming back together, and two people being optimistic about the future direction of a situation where both the parties are quite confused and not able to understand what's going on, but trying, at least trying. Yeah, let's see for you the guidance, Gemini. Nine of Swords. Okay, if you are going to be continuously in your head about things and you're not going to take any kind of action in order to resolve those issues, guess what? You are going to be continuously in your head only. Okay, first of all, don't create scenarios in your mind that might or might not be true, right? If you can't change anything or anyone, stop stressing over that. You just have to have the acceptance that this is what it is. You just can't change and control everything and everyone in your life, Gemini. Please make sure that you can't, and if you can do anything to change something, just do that. If you can't, don't be in the stress all the time. Okay, try to just calm down and accept the situation and the reality for what it is, and then with that acceptance and reality, go forward slowly. Okay, baby steps. Okay, honey, so this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.